What's going on, YouTube? We're about to go do a cold start in the Cummins. It's 15 degrees out in Michigan. It's a cold one. So we're about to go do one. Let's see what happens. I'm not even gonna use the block heater. We're just gonna fire her up. Let's see how she does. 15 degrees out. It's been cold all last week. It's gonna be really cold all day today. Let's go see what happens with her. Cold start, baby. What's going on, YouTube? Back with another one. Cold start with the Cummins. No heater grid plugged in. Just straight gonna fire her up. 15 degrees out. She's a cold one. Fire her up, see what happens. Got the intake horn on there, need to shine her up. Let's fire her up. Cold start on the Cummins. 4-inch exhaust. Let's see what happens here. She needs a jump. Old Betsy's cold. Fuck. Let's try this again, boys. Round 2. It ain't happening, champ. Call up bro with the jump box. He's gonna pull up. I think I was cranking her too long without using the heater grid, and she just didn't have it. She's too cold. Part 2, baby. Got the we got the jump box. We got the Harbor Freight special.
Got the Ever Start, boy.
The Ever Start.
The Walmart special.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. We got the Walmart special. Let's check her out here. The Walmart special, baby.
That's that
Ever Start Max. Yeah, don't.
It don't ever start.
I
mean, it's forever gonna start.
You ain't even fit on there, dog.
Be careful with her, champ. All right. Let's see if she cranks, boys.
We'll give it a spark test. Is that more than what you had earlier?
A little bit. Start her up, boys. Jump box ain't doing it, boys. I wouldn't recommend buying one of these Ever Start Max because they ain't ever gonna start your truck. Not the big heavy duty diesels, baby. Pull up the Chevy, let's see what happens here. This Ever Start ain't the one. If you're gonna get one, you get the more expensive one. That's all I can say. Name brand matters when it comes to this shit. Right, sure. Big Dave, you feel me? Even the batteries, these Ever Start Max batteries ain't working with the Ever Start. We got the Chevy pulling up. You're good. Good. The 5.3? Oh, shit, Vortex. Let's get it. It's clean up in here. Not bad, not bad. She's clean. Pull out the new jumpers. Pull this beater off.
Hey, got a little bag with it. Here, let's pull out the knife real quick. Damn it, turn it off, turn it off. Or just let us know, yeah, leave it. It would turn off.
Ooh, look at that boy, huh?
Give him that Damascus blade.
Beast. Okay, where'd you get this one at, sir?
That's I got that battle box.
Let's see the other side.
Knife of the month.
Let's see the grip. Oh, that's fucking saucy right there, son. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
that's nice. What's that running?
Comes with one of these like this.
Ooh, quick. Tell them, we're getting them together.
$100 for this bad boy right here.
Can't beat that. Let me feel it.
Light.
She's nice. She's light too. Oh yeah. Oh, crispy, ready to go. Look at the blade on that fucker. Here you go, son. What my brother did here, he installed the whole RV camper setup in the back of his truck.
Looking too good.
Let's check it out, Sam.
Welcome to MTV Cribs.
Oh,
mini edition.
You got the side. You got your chill spot. You got your supplies back in the corner. You got your bed up top. Damn, got the cabinet at the bottom. Let's check it out. It's got some weight. Got the cabinet, all the supplies. Damn, got the jack, got it all.
Got the mobile.
That's how you do it.
Mobile shop.
Can't beat that. What you got in here, champ?
You got a 6-go battery, you okay?
She was cold today. Yes, sir. Hold it. We got her going. Let's get it, boys. Running like a champion, right? Running like a champion. She's cold. Subscribe to the YouTube. Good cold start.